Hi, this is Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to restore deleted memo on your MacBook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Apple's Note is a useful note-taking app on Mac computer and iPhone. It helps you save a lot of important information such as link, memos, password, etc. However, now you find some or even all note has disappeared from the Notes app. Maybe you've deleted by mistake and now you want to restore it. How to do it is so simple. So first of all, you can just open your note on your MacBook. You can open your note. In here, you can go to recently deleted. Maybe for example, I will just delete this. So as you can see on my Mac, there's no note in here, and you can go to recently deleted. And here you can choose on the note that you want to recover or restore. This one for example. Now you can just try to edit this. You can just tap on the note and there will be a pop-up option appear on your screen like this. When you try to edit, there is an option. Recently deleted notes can't be edited. To edit this note, you'll need to recover it. You can just click on the recover. So this note will be back to your main all on my talk. And here you can also restore more than one with the same way. It's so simple, right? So that is how to restore deleted note on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.